had Senapse. We have two mobile tanks, our 150-gallon tanks that we haul. We have a huge building, and where the bulk tanks are, they're too far away to run lines. So we have to move the tanks back and forth and fill them and then take them out to the shop. And before, when the techs used oil out of there, they had air pumps on them to fill tractors, but they would just have to send us an email that they used so-and-so gallons on this work order. So it was messy and it wasn't working well. The way it works now is it was easy, simple. You put the base station in the center of our shop, and then you put some handles on our pumps. And whenever those guys use any oil, it sends us an email, or we can go into the web application and we can see who used it. They've got to type in the work order they used it for, and it gives an exact quantity. So we get exactly what they used, when they used it, who used it, and what work order it goes on. And it's made things a lot cleaner, a lot smoother. Our inventory accuracy is we're right where it needs to be now. Customer satisfaction goes up because we're not having to go back, a week or two later and say, oh, we forgot to bill this oil on that work order. So it's just little things like that. I would highly recommend it. I know, we've got some other stores that have some other stuff, and it's expensive. They have the wire, they got lines running all over. They have a bunch of handles. It's easy, it's simple. Once they got it set up and running smoothly, it's literally the techs type a number in the handle, put their PIN number in, we get an email instantly. I can't think of anything that would work quite as easy as this has, and it's been an awesome transition for us.